So guys, I was on the Feb update of the Android 16. So I was not able to install Android 17 update because Android 17 is still based on January update. So you cannot go from Feb to Jan because it's a downgrade. So what else can be done? Well, I cannot do an ADB sideload or the OTA update because then it's a downgrade and that's not possible. So then I unlock my phone, unlock the phone's bootloader. When that was done, then it's quite easy to use the Android Flash tool, or so I thought, because my phone is a Pixel 6a. And when I went to the Android Flash tool, you could see my phone's OS is not shown here. The Android 17 is just not shown here. Canary is shown here, beta build is shown here, back to public releases, but you could see the Android 17 is just not shown here. So I used the trick of the Android 17 Flash tool direct link. So this is the direct link for the Android Flash tool, Android 17 build, you could see. But again, unable to find a release matching Android 17 for Pixel 6a. So for my phone, it's just not possible to use the Android Flash tool as well. So how to install the Android 17 build on such phones? Well, it's quite easy. First off, use the Android Flash tool to flash the Android 16 QPR3 beta update, which is this one. Let me show you once again. So via the Android Flash tool, flash this build, the Android 16 QPR3 this beta update, flash it onto your phone. I have just flashed it, and then my phone's build number was as follows: CP11251209. So with this, we are back on the December build, as you could see. That's great, because the Android 17 is on the January build. So after flashing the QPR3 beta update, we are now on the December build. And after that, I could then easily get enrolled in the Android 17 beta program and get the update. So once you have flashed this via the Android Flash tool, once you're on the Android 16 QPR3, after that, go to this link, the Android 17, the Android beta program link, which is over here. Just go here and then log into your account, the same account which you have on your Pixel phone. The account should be the same, and then scroll down, and then you will see your phone over here. Click on opt-in. Once you opt in, you'll get a few prompt on your PC. The prompt will be something like this. So click on opt-in, and after that, you'll get a prompt. Click on OK. Again, click on OK, and that is it. Your phone should now be in the Android 17 beta program. As you could see, my phone is currently there. So once that is done, you could then easily just go to the phone's settings menu. Then from there, go to System, Software Updates, System Update, tap on Check for Update, and then your phone will now get the Android 17 update. As you could see, it's now being installed. So I'm again repeating, if you are currently on Android 16 February update, you cannot install the Android 17 update because that's on January and it's a downgrade. So the ADB sideload and OTA will not work. In that case, you might use the Android Flash tool. But in my case, the Android Flash tool did not have the Android 17 update. So I tried using the direct link as well. But even the direct link did not work for me. Let me show you. This was the Android 16 update. I tried finding the Android 17 from here, but there was no update for Android 17. I used the direct link hack. But in that case, you could see it's not able to find a build for my phone. So in that case, you have to flash the Android 16 QPR3 beta update from here, which is this one. So flash the Android 16 QPR3 beta update. Once that is done, go to the Android beta program and then click on opt-in for your phone using the same Google account which is there on your Pixel phone, and then click on OK. You'll get a prompt. Once you got a prompt, click on OK, and within a few seconds, you'll then get an update on your Android, on your Pixel phone, and then you could then easily install the Android 17 update. So, okay, device is being used, no issues. Tap on resume. So that is just about it. I will link all these links on my article as well. Just go to my article, click on the link, and then get the job done. So first off, try flashing the Android 17 via the Android Flash tool. But if you're also having the same issue as mine issue, in that case, first flash Android 16 QPR3 beta update, and after that, you may easily install the OTA update via the Android beta program. So guys, that's all from this video. If you still have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.